Hey, it's me, Tarayjah, with all the feelings. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a super cool project. We have some free, and yes, I said free Barstools that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm just going to give them an update. This was one of those go with the flow type projects. So none of this was planned. I kind of just got the bar stools and then I was like, oh, they're brown. I don't like the brown, so let's make the brown black. And then I really am not a fan of the old school print. So I was like, I can just find some fabric. Shout out to Joanne Fabrics. Um, yeah, and just go from there. So here you see me taking out the screws for the base of the bar stool, the seat cushion area, and gonna get into it. Now, nothing can ever be perfect, so there was that one screw bit that was different from the rest. But here, I make sure that I had all the pieces in a bag because I didn't want to lose them. And honestly, it's the easiest method to make sure that you put things back the way that you found them, okay? No squeaky squeakies. Boom. So next step, you're going to get a color of your choice. I chose black, Rust-Oleum paint. If you check out the link below, I have an Amazon affiliate link, whoop whoop, to this particular brand and color. I mean, it was fairly easy, self-explanatory. Just make sure that if the wind is blowing, that the fumes are blowing away from you. Okay. Alright, so the next step is to change those ugly, outdated seat covers. Now, you could take pliers, but I just took a flathead screwdriver and I took those nails off one by one, in the words of Tabitha Brown, like so, like that. And it's my business on how I choose to do this. But no, it was really easy, really quick. I just got a rhythm and just kept going. Ew, no ma'am, no ham, no Sam, no Pam. I really just threw them away. I couldn't do it. I just said no. I guess I'm just gonna have to find some foam somewhere else. I know somebody's craft store got a coupon, but y'all, that was not it. Just watch it. Ooh, $10? Hey God, now listen. I don't know if y'all know, But when I went to the craft store and I was looking for this foam for this chair, they were trying to rob me, baby. Not the coins. Not the coins. So I did my due diligence. I started searching. I was like, what is going to be comfy on the tush, but it's not going to break my bank account, and it's going to be comfy on my card. You feel me? You feel me? So I got this mattress topper. You know, it's the college size, the twin XL. And I still have some left over for the future. Really don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of it. But it worked, and that's all that matters. Okay, so this is where things got a little bit interesting. So first off, this is my first time using a manual staple gun, and I was not here for it. And then the next thing you know, I hear a little and my camera died. So I just whipped out my cell phone and I started recording myself. So I hope you enjoy this awesome angle of footage, you know, giving me a little aesthetic here, a little HGTV vibes, do it yourself, home goods, decor, you know what I mean. Just enjoy this moment of beautiful stapling. You know what time it is. Time to put it back together. Yes, here we go. Organize. Bring out the Ziploc bags. Okay? So it only took me maybe about like 2 minutes to put each one back together once I got the hang of it. I think it would have been easier with a second person maybe holding the bottom. But I made it work. It wasn't that hard. Yeah, I'm just so proud of myself. Like, the more that I do these DIYs and the more that I upcycle things, I just get to tap into a different form of artistry. And it just gives me so much more respect for the individuals who did the original design. Yeah, and I just love it. I just love it. During quarantine, I have been trying to figure out like who I am, what am I doing, and crafts and DIYs, upcycles, they just keep speaking to me. And I'm not doing this for anybody else. I'm literally just doing this for me. So I appreciate when people say, oh, that looks nice, or when I sell it. You know, this makes me happy. Well, that's all, folks. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.